Stay vibrant and confident. Discover 20 chic, low-maintenance haircuts that keep women over 60 looking youthful, stylish, and ready for any adventure. 1. Soft Layered Bob. A chin-length layered bob adds movement and frames the face beautifully, perfect for fine hair and active women wanting a youthful vibe. Side-parted layers give volume, making this cut ideal for thinning hair and a modern, effortless look. A soft layered bob with subtle highlights brightens mature skin tones and suits oval or round faces. 2. Textured Pixie Cut. A choppy pixie creates a playful, energetic style that's easy to manage and perfect for busy lifestyles. Feathered layers soften features and add volume, making it great for fine or thinning hair. The textured pixie offers a chic, modern edge for women who love bold, low-maintenance haircuts. 3. Shoulder-length Shag. A shoulder-length shag with wispy bangs flatters all face shapes and adds effortless movement. Layers throughout give texture and lift, perfect for women with thicker hair. This youthful shag works well for active lifestyles, needing minimal styling to look fresh. 4. Classic Long Bob Lob. A sleek long bob elongates the neck and looks sophisticated on women over 60. A side-swept lob softens features, making it flattering for square or round faces. Adding balayage highlights to a lob creates dimension and a fresh, youthful look. 5. Feathered Mid-Length Cut. Feathered layers create lightness, perfect for thick hair needing movement. This cut suits active women who want a breezy, polished style. Subtle caramel highlights enhance the feathered effect for a soft glow. 6. Curly Chin-Length Bob. A curly chin-length bob enhances natural texture and is perfect for round faces. Defined curls add bounce and energy, ideal for lively, active women. A side part adds asymmetry, making curls appear fuller and more playful. 7. Sleek Angled Bob. An angled bob creates a sharp, youthful look and elongates the jawline. This style works beautifully for straight hair, adding a modern edge. A high shine finish gives a polished, professional vibe. 8. Wavy Collarbone Cut. Soft waves grazing the collarbone add movement and softness, perfect for women with fine hair who want a fuller, romantic style. Sun-kissed highlights give the waves a youthful brightness. 9. Voluminous Short Crop. A short crop with volume on top gives a lively, modern silhouette, great for thinning hair. This style lifts the crown area, easy to maintain, making it ideal for busy, active lifestyles. 10. Layered Shoulder Length Cut with Bangs. Layers with bangs add softness and youthful energy, perfect for framing the face and brightening mature skin tones. Works well with subtle highlights for a dynamic look. 11. Stacked Bob with Highlights. A stacked bob adds volume at the back for a fuller look. Highlights create depth, enhancing the layered effect. Ideal for women wanting an easy-care yet stylish haircut. 12. Tousled Pixie Bob. A pixie bob with tousled waves offers a carefree, chic vibe, great for oval and heart-shaped faces, adding softness, perfect for women seeking effortless styling with personality. 13. Side-parted Medium Waves. Medium waves with a deep side part create instant glamour, perfect for adding volume and framing mature faces gracefully. Subtle balayage highlights add youthful radiance. 14. Blunt Chin-Length Bob. A blunt bob makes fine hair appear thicker and modern. Clean lines give a sophisticated, timeless appearance. Works well with silver or gray tones for a chic, confident look. 15. Shoulder Length Cut with Flipped Ends. Flipped ends add a playful retro touch to a classic cut, great for adding volume and bounce to straight hair. Subtle layers make it easy to style for an active lifestyle. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. 16. Curly Tapered Cut. A tapered cut defines natural curls for a polished shape. Volume at the top balances facial proportions beautifully. Low maintenance and perfect for women embracing their curls. 17. Medium Cut with Side Bangs. Side bangs soften the face and add a youthful touch. Works well for straight or wavy textures needing movement. Ideal for women seeking an elegant yet easy style. 18. Short Spiky Pixie. A spiky pixie creates a bold, adventurous look, perfect for adding edge and personality to thin hair. Requires minimal styling, ideal for active lifestyles. 19. Wavy Long Bob with Layers. A layered long bob with waves creates volume and flow, perfect for softening strong jawlines or angular features. Sunlit highlights add warmth and a youthful glow. 20. Polished Chin-Length Cut with Side Part. A polished chin-length cut is sleek, elegant, and timeless. Side parts add dimension and frame the face beautifully. Works perfectly for women seeking a refined, modern style.